A UN-backed panel of experts said that the Earth's ozone layer is on track to recover within 4 decades. But the group also warned of the unintended impacts on the ozone layer of new technologies such as geoengineering. In a report published every 4 years on the progress of the Montreal Protocol, the panel confirmed the phase-out of nearly 99% of banned ozone-depleting substances. The Montreal Protocol was signed in September 1987 and is a landmark multilateral environmental agreement that regulates the consumption and production of nearly 100 man-made chemicals or ozone-depleting substances. The overall pace down has led to the notable recovery of the protective ozone layer in the upper stratosphere and decreased human exposure to harmful ultraviolet UV rays from the sun. The discovery of a hole in the ozone layer was first announced by 3 scientists from the British Antarctic Survey in May 1985. According to the panel's report, if current policies remain in place, the layer is expected to recover to 1980 values by 2040. The Montreal Protocol has already benefited efforts to mitigate climate change, helping avoid global warming by an estimated 0.5 degrees Celsius. The report reaffirms the positive impact that the treaty has had on the climate. In the year 2016, an additional agreement to the Montreal Protocol, known as the Kigali Amendment, recorded a phase down of the production and consumption of some hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs. HFCs do not directly deplete ozone, but are powerful gases which contribute to global warming and accelerated climate change. The panel said that it is estimated the amendment will avoid another 0.3 to 0.5 degrees Celsius of warming by 2100. Ozone action sets a precedent for climate action. The success in phasing out ozone-eating chemicals shows what can and must be done as a matter of urgency to transition away from fossil fuels, reduce greenhouse gases, and so limit temperature increase. The panel cautioned against the use of a potential method to reduce climate warming by increasing sunlight reflection. For the first time, they examined the potential effects on the ozone arising from the intentional addition of aerosols into the stratosphere, known as a stratospheric aerosol injection (SAI). But they warned that an unintended consequence of SAI was that it could also affect stratospheric temperatures, circulation, and ozone production and destruction rates and transport.